Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to reply to messages on Instagram, ensuring you can engage effectively with your friends and followers. Whether you're new to the app or just need a refresher, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. First, open the Instagram app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in and ready to dive into your messages. The app interface is user-friendly, so you should find it easy to navigate. Next, click on the messages icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This icon looks like a paper airplane and will take you directly to your direct messages. Here, you'll see a list of all your conversations. Now, it's time to find the chat you want to reply to. Scroll through your message list until you locate the person or group whose message you wish to respond to. Once you've found it, tap on that chat to open the conversation. After opening the chat, look for the specific message you want to reply to. If someone has sent multiple messages and you want to respond to a particular one, this step is crucial for clarity in your conversation. Once you've identified the message, click and hold on it. This action will bring up a menu with several options. Look for the reply option and select it. This feature allows you to quote the original message in your response, making it easier for both you and the recipient to follow along. Now that you've selected reply, it's time to write your message in the text box that appears at the bottom of the screen. Take your time crafting a thoughtful response, or simply share your quick thoughts. Finally, once you're satisfied with your reply, click on the send button, which looks like a paper airplane again. Your message will be sent, and you'll see it appear in the chat thread beneath the original message you're responding to. By following these straightforward steps, you can enhance your interactions on Instagram and keep conversations organized. Remember, replying directly to specific messages helps maintain clarity and context in your chats. Happy messaging!